Good morning, class 8. Now we will discuss the harmful effect of air pollution. So let's start. Students, we know that air pollution causes many harmful effects. So the first we will discuss that is when we breathe the pollute air containing dust particle, grain particles, storm particles or smoke. When we breathe that air, polluted air, then it causes the breathing problems and respiratory problems and cause the lungs disease like lungs cancer, pneumonia, asthma, these all tuberculosis. These diseases are caused due to the air pollution. Second is given due to the incomplete combustion. We know that when carbon particles are present in fuel, when these fuel, petrol, diesel, they all contains carbon, and when these fuels burn in air or in oxygen, if the combustion is taking place incomplete, means when combustion is taking place in insufficient amount of oxygen, then it produces carbon monoxide gas. The formula of carbon monoxide is CO. This is called carbon monoxide, and this carbon monoxide gas is very toxic and more harmful than that of the carbon dioxide. When we breathe this carbon monoxide gas, it mixed in our blood and form the carboxyhemoglobin, and which stop the supply of oxygen in our body, and it may lead to suffocation and even death. So next is nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide. These gases when mixed in air, it pollute the air, and finally it mixed in rainwater and cause the rainwater acidic. When these rainwater falls in our falls on the earth, then it pollute the crops, it damages the crops, it damages the monuments, damages the buildings. You can see that the color of Taj Mahal is now not properly white, it is now yellowish. This is due to the damage, or this is due to the acidic rain. And how acidic rain has formed? When nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide gases mixed in rainwater, it form or it make it acidic. Next harmful effect of air pollution is CFCs. Full form of CFCs is chlorofluorocarbons. Chlorofluorocarbon, students, mostly produced from the coolant agent. Coolant agent means from refrigerator, from AC. They produce the gas chlorofluorocarbon, and this chlorofluorocarbon gas is very harmful. It depletes the ozone layer and it makes the hole in ozone layer. We know that around our atmosphere a layer of ozone is present which protect the harmful rays which are coming from the sun. So when these CFCs gases make a hole in ozone layer, and hence the harmful radiations fall on our earth. Next harmful effect is carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas is the major problem, or it is the major cause of global warming. We know that global warming means to increase the concentration of carbon dioxide, amount of carbon dioxide increases due to deforestation, cutting of trees, cutting of forest, and burning of fuels like coal, petrol, diesel. These, when these falls in oxygen, then they produce carbon dioxide. And as the carbon dioxide increases in our atmosphere, then it increases the temperature of Earth, and that is called global warming. Students, now we will discuss how we can control or minimize the air pollution. So few steps we can use and to control the air pollution. They are: first, we can use the emission reduction device in chimneys, in the industries and factories. which filter the harmful and dust particle and unwanted particles present in the smoke, and by this way we can reduce the air pollution. People prefer the unleaded petrol and to reduce the air pollution. Next, and the major thing is that planting of trees means afforestation is the way to control and to reduce the air pollution by planting more and more trees, because we know that trees and the forests purify the air and gives us oxygen. So the next way, that is, in homes we can use the LPG in place of coal, in place of wood, because in villages many people use the wood and for cooking. So in place of that we should use LPG. And in vehicles we should use the CNG, compressed natural gas, because it does not contain any harmful substance, and when it burns completely do not produce any toxic gases. Next way is that cross ventilation is the way to also reduce the air pollution in our home.